It is 10 degrees outside. And there it is. I gotta fix that antenna. I went through a car wash that has all these brushes in it, and I think it bent the hell out of it. So, here we go. Started right up. $139,774 miles. And the squeaking is gonna start. It runs like a champ. And I'll let you hear a little exhaust note. It's stock, so it's nothing special. But that's how you know how cold it is. Oh, look at it, it's loose. Alright. Okay, that's enough. Because my hands are starting to really get numb. And I'm taking this out of here because I don't think it'd be a good idea to leave it. Oops, other stuff flying out. And I'm going to take this out too, just because I didn't think. I forgot it was going to be this cold. And I forgot about the electronics. So. I mean, I don't know if it really matters or not, but I just get worried about the electronics and stuff when it gets this cold. Okay. Oh, goodness. Alright. Oh, it's windy. Oh, my. Okay, well, that was the really cold start of the 99 Malibu. And there'll be more to come soon. Here, you can see how cold it is when all when it all starts building condensation on it. I don't know about this, but yeah, that's how cold it is. So. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and there'll be more videos to come.